if I wanted to do it on Stardust Racers. By the time the train got to like the celestial spin, I wouldn't have the entire ride.
Expedition Everest. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
Oh wait, it's gotta go in here? I don't even think you can fit in here. Can it? Alright, new strategy. I'm putting my foot around it.
Going down all the way down. I think you can push it down one more.
I think he wants it like this, so it should be fine. Alright, this is number 349. I mean, I've seen this all the time on YouTube, so I know what to expect. Guardians, though, I'm excited. Oh, this is so high. Wait until he told Sean how tall it is.
Wow.
Wow.
It's a mine train.
Where's the Yeti? He's hiding. God, look. Wow. That is really good. I'm at a loss of words.
This tower is there.
Oh, I missed it. Woo! I didn't expect it to hit like that. Oh, there he is! Uh-oh, my leg is stuck.